I was just checking my bait, and there's a fish on. There we go. Here we are. Nice size, thick, and very dark. So we're on the board tonight. Good day everyone and welcome back. This afternoon, late afternoon, I am out here at the fishing platform next to the bridge in Denny, fishing with Dylan. Having a catch up. I haven't fished with him in a bit. He came in and did a little bit of work for us at the shop. Very much appreciated. We only got a couple hours to fish, so like I said, more of a catch up than anything else, but we'll see what we can do. Little river rat. Give a man a worm and what does he do? He just tries to outfish you.
I did outfish you. I just landed two.
Jeez. See how he is?
Thanks for the work.
Yeah, that'll be the last one he gets.
I'll be Bear Grylls and go find my own worms.
There we go. That's two for Dylan. Yeah, got another. There we go. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off. Darn it. Nothing like a young guy complaining. He wants to go fishing, and then he wants to leave early, and then he wants to be in the video at the end. So anyway, we didn't fish very long, but he got me 2-1.
Yep, just
so,
fish me.
Who won't get a camera and do his own channel. Look, there he goes. Yeah, there he goes. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, keep fishing.